how much more I can get.
What I would do now, you go to the horn. What's what goes in the way. Now, other side of the
go to the store to find those hand
perspective.
plant hangers and things like that.
Every now and
Appreciate why
you then cut it there, flip it, put it in the vise and top.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
To make a nail now, you would cut it.
Oh yeah, okay.
Put it here at the top. Okay, and that needs to be done for each nail. Okay? And there are a whole lot of nails in the house. Back in the old days in Boston, they would burn houses because the nails were worth more than the house and the land. There were two smiths in the early days of Boston.
Wow.
There, on the top. Top.
Yeah.
Alright.
You're much nicer than I am.
We're making hooks today, gentlemen?
We are making hooks. We're going to go fishing. There's a big honking fish out there.
What are we making anyways?
We're making hooks at the moment.
Alright.
Now, I don't see why we can't try something else. I'm getting a little short. But I'm sure we can reach something here. I'm optimistic. No. And then doesn't do fire any marshmallows. We gotta watch out for our tips.
What are you two making today?
Take it out, quench it, and then go.
We don't really know.
You don't know yet? You're just making metal.
We're just making hooks.
Okay, hooks over here too.
So pretty much.
All right.
It's more of a sample than ironwork. This is what I made, and this is what I've told them to make. I did this in probably 4 or 5 minutes.